Very good. Kuya. Yeah!
Gilid yan ha.
Sige lang. Okay, kuha. Yeah, good. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh. Yes. Oh! Yeah. Huh? Yeah, asal set.
Sure, agay. Lagan yan.
Wala na.
4 minutes, sir, time out, 4 minutes.
Very good. Box out ha, wala na. Very good. Good.
Oh, siya!
Yes.
Victorious!
Yes. All right. White race ha. Okay, pogong. Okay. Very good. Okay ha.
Tres out, maganda tres.
Okay, kuhaan ninyo ha. Kawan na. Okay, good job.
Di mo naman tagak, iwan mo ni Saka.
Eh, box out yan. Hapit to.
Ball, jersey number 15, holding ball. First ball, jersey number 15, and 4 the team.
Mark.
Casino for 3. Short. 1 in the title. Point shot clock.
Yes. Okay na.
Una.
Ayaw yung check race ha.
2 distance. For penalty.
Gani, dyan daw to. Shout out, Ratulon. Guys, naka si Ratulon na diri oh.
Next run, okay.
Oy. Ikaw ka si Ratulon. Sige. Relax kuya. Good.
Basta ang sport. Symbol gid siya. Ang teknika rin, wala yung symbol.
Oo. I-print lang daan po.
Usa lang long ha. Good. Out oh, shot. Hey! Hey! Up! Good to ha! Good to! Up! Ah! Good! Relax! Relax! Okay.
Passing.
Oh!
Foul.
Yes! Good! Good! Kuya! Ah!
Labi!
Mercado.
Ayaw na lang.
Okay. Ah, good ka Ratulon! Good Ratulon! Alright, shout out kong Ratulon ha. Alright, yes! Side, bounce. Sorry, bounce. Yes, sir. Okay. Tawad. Ayan na. Ayan. Yes.
Basket.
Yes.
Nice block.
Yes.
Gilangaw. 14 shot clock, seconds to play.
Yes. Okay, relax. Counter!
Let's see.
Likod!
Oh,
Relax, Kuya Maki. Good job.
basket.
Yes. Yes. Alright, tumira ng 3. Kuya Ratulon. Yes.
3 points.
Woo. Congrats Ratulon. Alright. Yan ah. Hey. Congrats. Shout out. Alright, lighter.
Ah, James. Na, James.
Wala na.
Nagahaka akong kalo, James. Naalam to.
Hala ka, James. Yan, guys. Alright, mga palangga. So, okay, see you next time. So,
So, kaya nila.